Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this makeup look that I did while I was in Miami. This was just the everyday makeup that I would wear when I did put on makeup. It's really easy to do, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So first I'm starting with my Somerville Moisturizer. And next I'm going to be using Tango by Drunk Elephant. This is just a really nice eye cream. And you just tap that in with your ring finger. And next I'm just brushing out my brows and my lash extensions with my spoolie just to make everything else a little bit easier. And next I'm using my Shiseido SPF spray just for some extra sun protection. And next I'm using my Wet n Wild primer. This is a dewy primer. This was my first time using it because I forgot my primer at home, but it was actually really good, so I'm happy I got to try it out. It gives you a very beautiful glow. And next I'm using my favorite foundation, and that's the CoverFX Natural Finish Foundation. I love it because it has really good coverage. It's very natural to the point where it looks like skin, and it's just amazing. I love it. And I'm just using my Real Technique sponge and just tapping that into my skin. Make sure you tap. Don't rub, don't drag, don't anything like that. And just make sure you get everything. And next I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And I'm just using that on my under eye, my bridge of my nose, my Cupid's bow, and on my laugh lines. And I'm also blending that in with my Real Technique sponge just to make sure everything looks all perfect and universal. And then I'm going to be using my Shade and Light brush by Kat Von D and her contour kit as well, which is clearly broken, but I love it too much to throw it away. And I'm just using this to contour my cheekbones. And just make sure that you blend everything out to look symmetrical on both sides of your face. And even though it does look a little bit dark, you just have to keep blending until everything is blended. And make sure you hit your jawline as well, just to make you have like a more chiseled jawline if that's what you're going for. And just do the same thing for the other side. And if your forehead is looking a little bit big, just put a little bit of bronzer on your forehead, just like I'm doing. It just makes it appear a little bit smaller. And then I'm just using my sponge to just go over everything to make sure there's no harsh lines with the powder. And then I'm just using the yellow color powder from the contour kit to set my under eye. And then I'm going to be using my favorite blush from Bare Minerals from the Gen Nude collection. And I'm just putting a little bit on my apples and my cheeks. I love it because it looks so natural, but it makes you look so cute. And then next I'm using my first ever highlighter, and it was also my favorite one. It's Becca Opal, and I love it because it gives such a nice glow. It doesn't accentuate texture, and it just looks so beautiful. I feel like this was like a lot of people's first like high-end beauty product. And just use that to highlight the bridge of your nose as well, just to make it look more elongated. And the inner corner of your eye to just make you look more awake. And your brow bone just to kind of lift your brows. And on your Cupid's bow just to make your upper lip appear a little bit bigger. And that's basically it for the highlighting part. Ooh, yes. And next I'm just brushing on my brows one more time before I do them. But my brows are tinted, so I didn't really have to do much to them. I just used the Benefit Precisely My Brow just to fill in any sparse areas that I saw. And then I just set that with some Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel, even though I didn't show that here. And next I'm using my favorite lip gloss from Fenty Beauty, Fenty Gloss Bomb. It smells so good and it feels so good as well. And next I'm setting my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And you're done for this makeup look. I told you guys it was really easy. It lasts all night. It lasted through like sweat, water, sand, rolling loud for 3 days. This makeup was booming until 3 a.m. every single day. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will be uploading a little vlog as well, so stay tuned for that. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.